Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to search filters on Instagram stories. So for you to be able to search for filters on Instagram story, here's how you can get it done. You open your Instagram app on your phone, then you tap on this plus icon in between your toolbar. So tap on this plus icon or tap on it, then you scroll down from here, you swipe to the left, meaning you swipe to the right, and you can see these are the list of, okay, I made a mistake, let's do it again, this guard. Okay, you swipe down, you swipe to the right, these are the list of filters that we have currently. So for you to be able to search for filters, then you use this brush effect, then you tap on it, then you tap on this search button at this corner up here, the search button. Then from here you can now search for any form of filters that you want. So I'm just going to search on Halloween. Okay, good. You can see these are the Halloween. Yes, good. You can see this is Halloween filters. You can see, you can search, you can scroll down and you can select any filters of your choice to use on Instagram stories. And that's it. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.